everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a VirusTotal beginner tutorial. Now if you don't know what VirusTotal is, you can actually read the description and find out a bit more about it, but actually it's used in cybersecurity and you may find it in some of your university modules as well. VirusTotal gives you three options, so you can either upload a file, and VirusTotal will most likely trace the hash code of it and compare it to anything else on the database. If you are thinking of uploading a file, please redact all personal info because paid users can actually see everything, and if a company or you are submitting some pictures, you don't really want some random dude opening them up. We also have the URL version, which is what I'll be using today. You can paste the URL of the suspected website. Please note there are possibilities of false positives and false negatives, and you can also generally search. You have the search box here. You can search the URL, IP address, domain, or file hash, and file hashes are quite important to learn about as well. So for example, I just found this random website. This was actually given to me from some coursework I did. When you press enter, it will start to analyze it, and we can kind of see different antivirus systems, and this is what they come up with. Now for this particular scam website or malicious website, most of them are clean, but it is pretty obvious that this is a malicious website pretending to be PayPal. Now in cybersecurity, you're really trying to concentrate on the detail as well. For example, the first submission of this website was at 2020, and that means a user personally found this website and submitted it in. You also have some interesting info. What sucks about this website is that there's not many details compared to other phishing websites, but in reality you'd be thinking about the TTP, the IP addresses, and what it links to. You can also see what the community is saying, but there's nothing that interesting. You can reanalyze. This does help a lot if you're a business or a user. We also have the API here, but really one of the most interesting bits is the graph. Now as we can see, we got the solution 72 PayPal URL, we also got the network location and the address itself. And in cybersecurity, you do have to use your common sense slightly. This is obviously a phishing website pretending to be PayPal. It might even have some malware on the code, and we can actually see the detections. So we've got webroot and trust wave. If you go on to the solution website though, it doesn't have any relations, but there is a resolution here, and that's pretty obvious. So we can see that the IP address is from the United States supposedly, and as always though, the agencies used, you will not really know who the proper owner is. So if we click here, we can see the resolutions, we can see the SSL certificates, and generally speaking with like SSL certificates though, there would most likely be many, because throughout SSL certificates, they do expire throughout time as well, and so we can see that this one was found in 2021 and this one was in 2020, so I reckon that they probably expired as well. You can also comment. You have the relations, which is basically stuff that it links to. You have the IOC report, which is basically the details, and you can also file, you can save it, so it is quite a good system generally. We also have different nodes, you can make comments, and this is a very basic tutorial on how to use VirusTotal for a beginner. Now with malicious websites as well, it will keep on going, it will keep on going, it will keep on going. There will be a lot of links. For example here, if we press on the resolution, we can even see more relations that have been formed. And this is what you're doing as a cybersecurity expert. You're kind of trying to investigate. You are trying to inquire a lot of the times to figure out what's happening. as I quote, this is a basic tutorial, and if you subscribe, turn the notifications on, comment your opinions down below, there will be more videos coming in the long run on how to use VirusTotal. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Thank you very much.